Hello everyone, my name is Lee Reich, and look what I have here, a plate of freshly picked ripe figs. I just harvested these figs on my farmden here in New York's Hudson Valley, where winter temperatures get as low as -20 degrees Fahrenheit. In my new book, Growing Figs in Cold Climates, I describe how it's possible to grow figs from Moscow to Minneapolis. I've applied the knowledge I've gained from graduate degrees in agriculture and working in fruit research for Cornell University and the USDA and decades of fruit growing. Here are the bare bones of the 5 methods that I present in the book that make it possible to grow figs in cold climates. Method number 1, plant the fig in a pot. The pot spends the summer outdoors basking in the sunlight, in the winter in a cool location. Method number 2, again, put the plant in a pot, but have this pot with holes drilled in its side, and those roots will grow out into the surrounding soil. Come late fall, cut back the roots and put it into cold storage. Method number 3, plant the fig right outside in the ground, and each winter protect it by bending it down to the ground and covering it with insulating material. Method number 4, where winters are coldish but not frigid, leave the plant upright, and in late fall tie the branches together and wrap the branches in some sort of material to protect it from winter cold. Method number 5, plant the tree in the ground in a hoop house or in a minimally heated greenhouse. In the book, I match the kind of cold climate to the methods of growing the plant, the pruning technique, and the variety of fig. Even in cold climates, we can grow this fruit that's been enjoyed for thousands of years. If you're interested in knowing more about what's going on in my farmden, fig-wise or otherwise, check out my website at leereich.com.